Hello, this is part 2 video regarding HZJ 75 and 78 charging systems. I today sorted out an issue that I think affects us all, that we have all our accessories in our vehicles. I have UHF-CB and VHF and walkie-talkies and tyre pressure monitors and dual battery controllers and voltmeters and HF radio and USB chargers and torches and all that stuff. And a bit of a valuable lesson that when you've got a radio that you think it's off and you've got this button that you press to turn it on, okay, when it's off it's actually drawing power. So between all of my radios and things that haven't got stuff plugged into them, like this charger here, all of that draws power. So I took my earth leads off and put a multimeter on milliamps and measured the current draw, and it was nearly half an amp. Now half an amp, you leave your car for a few days, it knocks the surface charge off it, and I had a slow starting situation. Crank over but slowly and it'd start up. So now with what I've done today, that will change it. So I've used the factory power box, which has 3 terminals in it, one for accessory, one for ignition on and one for constant power. Using that for the accessories and a relay that I've fitted, I've now made it so that when you turn the key to accessories, the relay energizes, the power comes out of my second battery, which supplies all my radios and all of that junk, and it leaves the original start battery factory, other than the winch cables. It's just factory. It just supplies the original thing. So when you turn the key off, it is off. There's a tiny little bit of current draw, but that's through the diodes and the alternator, and it's like half of 1 milliamp is the draw. So I suggest that you guys that have battery problems like I have for years, you need to look at my other video regarding overcharging. Maybe if you've got an aftermarket turbo and bonnet temperatures, a shield and a bonnet scoop to get some air ventilation, and then look at your discharge and make sure that you're not punishing your battery by discharging it down after a couple of days of not using it and then recharging it back up. And all of that is why I believe that some of us have had to buy a battery every 1 or 2 years because they failed. So there you go. Hopefully that video helps. I'll catch you next time.